So we're going to look at interest and how we gain interest or how we are charged interest. We're going to first start off with simple interest, which is basically adding on interest. Okay, and now bear in mind, simple interest is not typically how things work in the real world, but I'm going to show you how this works. So there's a couple ways we can do it. We can basically work out our 4%. Okay, so 4% out of 100. Okay, it's going to be $2,000 and X percent. Okay, our multiplier is 0.04. Okay, so we know that we're going to multiply by 0.04. Okay, so as a multiplying strategy, it would look like this: 2,000 times 0.04, and that gives us $80. And then we add that $80 on, and we end up with $2,080. Okay, so that's our total. Now we could do this with 104%, so we can do the exact same thing, but we can do 2,000, and we can say, well, we're going to end up with 104%, so we're going to use that as our multiplier. Okay, and that gives us the 2080 that we're looking for. Okay, and we can do this as a proportion as well. So that's simple interest. Basically, we're calculating for percent and we're adding that on. Okay, now if we do that for more than 1 year, now this is typically okay for 1 year. If we do that for more than 1 year, this is how simple interest works. But bear in mind, for more than 1 year, the real world typically does not work this way. But I'll show you anyway. So this is $500 invested for 2 years. Each year you earn 5%. So basically we're going to earn 10% interest. And it looks like this: $500 times, and we're going to just use 100%, so we're going to do 100. Actually, we'll just calculate the interest. So we're going to do 2 years times 5%, okay, which is going to give us our 10. This basically gives us 10% for the 2 years. Okay, and then we're going to end up with $50. And so we say, okay, well, if we earn $50 on 500, now we have $550. Okay, so we're basically adding on the 5% twice. So 5% would be $25, 5% would be another $25, and we add it on twice. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. There's actually a formula for simple interest formula. And the simple interest formula looks like this: PRT equals I, where this is a principal, the starting amount. Okay, this is our rate, and this is a time for the rate. Okay, now I don't really, this is the formula for it, but it's not a very useful formula in that most financial calculations do not use simple interest.